Fiber optic wall socket FOS-17 provided for one or two SC or LC adapters. This socket can be mounted on standard electrical junction box or directly on the wall. There are various types of cable fixings that allow you to use different types of cables. The socket comes with installation space for one adapter. For the other adapter, you need to cut another knockout. Dimension confirms to standard electrical sockets 85 to 85 millimeters, and height together with lid is 22 millimeters. This product can be adapted for customer interior and can be made in different colors. The top cover available in two versions, with recess for adhesive label or molded customer logo on the top of the cover. Firstly, you need to find a place for wall socket installation. Cut the hole in the wall in accordance with your junk box diameter. Fix junction box in the wall. Before fixing to wall, insert cable ties. Pass through cable socket base. Mount base on junction box. Then fix cables with cable ties. Cut remaining tie-ins. If needed, do second knockout. Attach pigtails to fiber optic strands using the fiber splicer device. When you allocate the proper strands, they need to be stripped, cleaned and cleaved. A clean perpendicular break. Brace the fibers in the fusion splicing device and then start the fusion splicing process in accordance with manual. Arrange cable and strands in socket base. Fix prepared splices into dedicated holders. Holders can fit up to 4 splices. Thus, you have again an option to use SC or LC adapters. Arrange pigtails to corresponding adapter bed holes. Firmly press adapter into adapter bed. Now insert pigtails into adapters. Now check the cables and gently put the lid. Aware of cable squeezing with lid.